Precision machining is all the small metal-to-metal parts that you go through your everyday life and you don't even realize it has been precision machined. It's crazy. Something that I've really learned is you don't got to do it all at one time. To be patient and then attack it as you go, but patience, and then we get into CNC, which is writing programs for parts, and it really helps. We worked with the manual stuff, but as the workforce is transitioning more into CNC, we learn a lot more CNC, which I think is really good. My plans after I complete the program, I want to continue on into college and use my knowledge from the drafting and design program and the precision machining program to go become an engineer. We can make anything. Your imagination is really the limit in precision machining, and I think that's one of the best things about precision machining class is it's all about how much you're willing to put into it is how much you'll get out of it.